there is a fifth dimension beyond that which is known to man. It is a dimension as vast as space and as timeless as infinity. You have just crossed over into the AI zone. What if the painter who created your favorite masterpiece was a machine? What if the song stuck in your head was composed by code, not a human soul? Welcome to episode 6. Tonight we ask, is AI killing creativity? Writers are being replaced by ChatGPT. Artists watch as Midjourney creates in seconds what took them years to learn. Musicians hear AI generate hit songs without a single human touching an instrument. Hollywood writers went on strike. Concept artists lost their jobs. Voice actors found their voices cloned without permission. But here is the twist. Throughout history, every new tool was called the death of art. Photography would kill painting. Synthesizers would kill music. Digital art would kill traditional artists. Yet creativity survived. It evolved. It found new forms. Perhaps AI is not the death of creativity. Perhaps it is the next canvas, the next instrument, the next tool for human expression. The question is not whether AI can create. The question is, what will you create with it? If this made you think, hit subscribe and join us in the AI zone. Next episode, can AI feel emotions, or is it just pretending? We now return control of your mind to you. Until next time, when we take you back into the AI zone. We now return control of your YouTube channel to you. Thanks for watching.